Bros and hams, hams and bros, bro hams, and of course, ladies, welcome back to another episode of Minecraft Bedwars. And today, I'm going to be describing the steps that I take to win Bedwars. I'm just going to be explaining what I do in case, because I made the Why You Suck in Minecraft Bedwars series, but some people just don't understand who's a threat and stuff. But I'm just going to explain I'm going to probably play 2 games, just explaining what I do, or maybe 1 game. But right now, so right now, this guy is coming over. It's not really cool. I want to hit this guy off. I fell off. That's not really what you want to do. So this is a fast iron map, so you know you can get a lot of blocks, and this comes in handy because you really want to get the high ground on your opponent, and that's just what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna build up for forever and just not stop. And that guy's dead. He block clutched. That's cool, but now he's dead, so yeah. And now what I can do is place a TNT. I'm gonna break his bed open. I'm gonna try to hit him off with these blocks, although this never works out. Oh, it did. Now I got his bed. Wow, he's in the void. It's all kind of part of the master plan. Now this is a type of map where you have your diamonds on your way to your neighbor, and you have diamonds on the way to mid. So I'm gonna go the way of my neighbor and just keep going around in a circle. And then I'm gonna get the bed, and then what I can do is cash in these diamonds. That's basically what you do. Now blue seems competent because they are all the way over at gray already, and their base is a little bit far from gray. And yeah, so they're going all the way over to pink base, and that's kind of where I want to go. Thing is, blue's all the way over at pink, so he has to go and fight pink, and that might take him a while. So what I'm doing is I'm getting more diamonds because I don't think blue got these diamonds, and I'm just gonna go, cash them in, become the millionaire with all the pride and all the everything, and it's gonna be pretty solid, and that's my hope. This map right here, it's just so easy to knock people off, and then they rage, and it's so nice. And that guy, I'm gonna hit him down. He's gonna fall. I'm gonna knock back that guy down and get his bed. See, if I were to hotkey there, I probably could have got the bed before he died. So it would have been a lot better. So that's why the knockback stick comes in handy, because you can hit people off, and while they're falling to the void and they are not able to do anything, you can hit them, kill them, and get their bed, and it's just pretty good. So there are only 3 teams left. Hopefully Alka doesn't come to me. He is my neighbor, so he's a threat, but so is the white now, because now I made him angry by stealing their final kill that they worked very hard on. So sorry, dude. I'm lagging. That's cool. It might be him. I don't know. I don't know what Alka's doing. Hopefully they're not doing anything too good. See if I can fireball this guy off, which didn't work. But see, now what I can do is, if I can hit this guy off, see, and then get his bed, it's just great. So Alka's at my base. That's kind of not cool. So now I'm all the way over at his base. I made a whole 360, and boop, got his bed. He's bridging, which is really stupid because I hopefully, and boom, it's easy as that. I won the game. How the frick did that guy go through the whole map without dying once? Alright, well, guys, if you didn't know, DoctorEpicness is hacking, so, Gray is hacking. I'm hacking, dude. Man, it is, I had him last round, just, you can tell when people are hacking. So, Red, he's coming over to me. And if I kill Red, they're probably going to confirm, oh yeah, he is a hacker. And that was kind of a weird play, but I think it worked. Oh my gosh, I'm insane, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. No one can combo me. Oh my, if I get this kill. No, I couldn't get spawn pro. Gray hacking, I don't play with so reach, so buy. He spelled a lot of those words wrong. I don't know. I don't even know. He said bye like he was leaving, but I think he's just bad because they kind of got final killed. by yellow, so I don't really know. Alright, so what I want to do over here is I want to get above him, and I want to combo him, and I don't really want to take fall damage. Alright, what the heck? Why'd that guy have an iron sword? If this guy doesn't hit me off, I... Frick, dude! Why 1 heart? Got him. You know, I'm still gonna do the video though. Whatever. I don't quit. I don't put out games. It's stupid. People who do that, bad. White is going to the dead. Hopefully, okay, or they can like lag somewhere so hard that no one else can get to the same place that they're going to. I can hopefully though get his bed. And yes, he has a bunch of emeralds and diamonds, so like I think that'll be a nice to get. It was nice to get. Alright, now I have to make sure when I try to use my fireball I don't accidentally use my pearl, because sometimes I do that because the hotkey's just there. You know, yellow is somewhere. He fell. Okay, okay. I knew that. Shut up. Pearls are really good when you don't have a bed, so you can clutch with them. Like I did. Oh my gosh. Why is he gonna use a knockback stick right here? I'm kind of like, okay. I wasn't really near an edge. This guy said he would sub if I won, so I'm just gonna try hard now because, you know, if a sub is on the line here, I think we can do this. Would prefer if he didn't do that. Right, am I gonna trick shot this guy? Should I try to? $180 pearl trick to keep him alive for a little bit longer. Okay, or he's gonna hit me around and I'm gonna smack him. GG's. Alright guys, that's gonna end the video. Hope you learned something. I don't know what you could have possibly learned, but I mean, I guess I'm doing daily uploads, so, you know, have a nice day.